and welcome to our YouTube channel Petergram Facts. Today let's start with a little story, shall we? Once upon a time there was a man named Henry. Henry came home with a cream-crackered face after a restless day of work in his office. His lovely Tibetan Mastiff widened his eyes waiting for Henry like an owl. As soon as Henry entered home, he rushed to him, licking him, wandering around him to grab his attention. Seeing his pet's love and affection, Henry's stress outbursts and keeps enjoying his pet's company. Wow! Words aren't enough to describe the pleasure of pets, isn't it? Pet animals are the man's best friend. Whatever might be the cost of a pet, it doesn't matter for pet lovers. Cost depends on the species and quality of your desired pet. Expensive pets are usually high quality and occasional breeds. Here is the list of all most expensive animals in the world. The bizarre appearance of these animals makes you delightful and joyous. So let's get on with it. Number 1. Green monkey. Probably not a monkey, but a whizzing and charming horse. Son of Grade 1 winner forestry. Want to know the breathtaking features of it? Green monkey, American purebred racehorse, is an image for speed and enthusiasm. It's an eventual choice for horse riders to hit a cup at the racing ground. In 2006, a 2-year-old gem horse sold at an eye-popping price of $16 million in a thoroughbred auction. It was under the ownership of 3 people, Sue Magnier, Derek Smith and Michael Tabor until its death. Number 2. Sir Lancelot Encore. It's awful to come across the death of your lovely pet, isn't it? This is the case with the couple Nina and Edgar in the UK. They had a delightful Labrador, Sir Lancelot. Back in the days, it died of cancer, and the couple wasn't able to come out from the memories of their lost pet. They decided to clone their lost pet. After the long run, Sir Lancelot Encore, the first clone pet in the UK, was born to restore the joy of the couple. The couple has spent $155,000 and now it costs almost $16 million due to its high demand. Number 3. Missy Missy. This is a female whooping cow breed from Canada. Want to know more astonishing realities about Missy Missy? She used to produce more than 50% of milk than the usual breeds. Won several grand championships, and it was under the ownership of Mark Buss, Van Ruinen, Morsum and G. Andreessen. Missy Missy was sold at a high price of $1.2 million at an auction. Also, it's the second cow in Canada sold at a price of millions. Number 4. Tibetan Mastiff. Who would not like to have tremendous, massive pets? If you want to enjoy the thrill and pride of owning Mastiff breeds, then this is the outstanding elite. It originated in Tibet 5,000 years ago. Family-friendly, high intelligence, energetic, sensitivity and playfulness make it more appropriate as a pet. Its double-coated, fluffy skin is the major attraction that increases the urgent demand for it. It can cost up to $582,000 depending upon its quality. Number 5. White lion cubs. White lion cubs, endangered species, are a masterpiece for its cuteness. There are less than 100 lions across the world. The mesmerizing white coloration is due to the lack of skin pigment. Timbawati, a place in South Africa where these lions live in the wild. If you want these animals as a pet, then the cost price is up to $140,000. Number 6. Arabian horse. Have you ever seen divine horses? If not, then Arabian horses are the ones resembling paradise horses on the earth. The beauty of these horses is eternal and magnetizes everyone. Arabian horses are native to Arabian Peninsula. Arabian horse appears in several colors, including bay, black, grey, white, etc. These horses increase their population even in America, Australia, Europe as well. In general, the price could accelerate up to $100,000. Number 7. Chimpanzee. Do you know chimpanzees are more closely related to animals and share almost 98% of human genes? It's more delightful to have an intelligent animal chimpanzee as your friend, isn't it? These are intelligent, friendly and smart. They survive until 60 years. Also, they could even speak if we trained them. At times, the price could rise up to $60,000. Number 8. Savannah cats. Savannah cats from Africa are the long, wispy bodies picturing wild animals. You might think it couldn't be a pet animal, isn't it? In contrast, these cats are perfect for pets. Loyalty, human-friendly, loving nature, high intelligence makes them more suitable as pets. These are spread across sub-Saharan areas except in rainforest countries. The price of savanna cats can rise up to $20,000. Number 9. Lavender albino ball python. Lavender albino ball python, originated in America, is one of the rare species in the world. Though it is poisonous, it has a great urge in snake enthusiasts. Its unique color palette makes it out of the world. The deep and rich yellow markings are the major attraction of this species. At times, the price of this python could reach as high as $40,000. Number 10. Palm cockatoo. The uniqueness and specialty of the bird lie within the appearance of the bird. Do you know the special features of this bird? The color of the palm cockatoo species changes when the bird usually gets excited. Though it is native to Australia, it has increased its race even in Indonesia and New Guinea. It's a perfect companion for you in solidarity. The cost of this species could rise up to $16,000. Number 11. Hyacinth macaw. Hyacinth macaw, dazzling and most pleasing birds, also rare species. The colorful, dense blue feathers and its sharp, brightening beak are the major attraction for its uniqueness. These birds are inherited from Brazil, highly socialized and friendly birds. The cost could rise up to $14,000 depending on its demand. Number 12. The Bradza monkey. The Bradza monkey, world's oldest monkey species found in Central Africa. The beauty of this species lies within its white beard and hairy skin appearance. It's also known for its high reputation. Depending upon the urge and demand for this species, the cost might rise up to $12,000. Number 13. Bongo antelope. The most massive, giant species with dazzling markings on its body. It's the third heaviest antelope and mostly seen in the native African forests. Bongos are the great high jumpers as that of Australian kangaroos. The unique white and yellow color combo makes it a masterpiece than all other species. Depending upon the urge, the cost may rise up to $9,000. Number 14. Capuchin monkey. These cute monkey species found largely in tropical forests in Central America and South America. Unlike other species, these are highly trained and talented and intelligent. Their pretty and cute faces hold one's breath. The capuchin monkey's face reflects its innocence and laziness. The price of this species could go up to $8,500. Number 15. Tycoon. Tycoons are the perfect human friends. Their intelligence, high curiosity, friendly nature, playfulness are their special attraction. Tycoons are native to southern Mexico, also populated in the countries of Central America, South America and North Argentina. The cost of this species could go up to $8,000. These are the most expensive animals in the world. Whatever might be the cost of animals doesn't matter at all. Pets are the evergreen choice to feel the pleasure of selfless love and affection. What do you think, guys? Share it with us and do like and subscribe to the channel. Also, share the content on Instagram and Facebook and let more people know about these expensive breeds as pets. Thank you for watching.